That new overdoor heater sounds like a jet engine at times. Anyway, Simon stuck this 32 in, and actually, do you know what? I just need to show you this. Hang on, let's just clear all the bits away. Now, when I built this, and you can't see under there, there's a mixing desk, and then there's another one there, and then all the lighting, the stage lighting over there, all the Optikinetic Solar 250s, the whole lot, the lasers, the floods, all the lighting, and the 6K sound rig. I can run this whole kit, this whole venue, off a couple of 16s. I'll just show you what that means. These are 16 amp outlets. So in a venue that's known as a 16. That's a 32. So what Si put up there is 32, and that goes right the way over to, oops, sorry. Up there we've got a dedicated 40 amp supply. Oops. So everything, absolutely everything in here, all of the stage stuff, everything, PA, the lot, mixing desk, all runs off a couple of 16s. This, our control panel, as its own dedicated 32. Now obviously that's for the heating elements in the boiler and the HLT, and obviously for the pumps. I've put this back together slightly. That's where the pumps and the plate chiller are going to go. So we're at that moment of truth. By the way, the only thing I haven't wired into here at the moment are the probes, and that's because I needed a way. I've got the probes shielded till I get to the cabinet, and I need a way to shield them inside the cabinet to go to the PID so that there's no interference. So what I'm going to use is what's called shielded twisted pair, STP. It's network lead, Cat5 network lead. I recycle everything. Anyway, moment of truth. Shall we switch this on? I'm going to go and turn the power on over there, and then we'll turn this on. Actually, just to be on the safe side, I'll open the shutters. God, bleeding horrible weather. Look at that. Right, ready to turn it on and see how it goes. I thought we might have a little quick look on just how nice the canal is at night. And the canal nice at night, boys and girls, with all the nice canal things and boats. These are our two boats here and everything. I just thought I'd give you a little glimpse along the canal and show you how nice the canal is. Nothing to do with the fact that yeah. It's not a complete disaster, I suppose, is it, really? Yeah, but look how nice the canal is, boys and girls. There we are, with little lights down the side, boats and everything, and yeah. I think we might have to come back to this, don't you? I suppose I should come clean, really, shouldn't I, and own up that it's actually the house smoke machines that I've had on. I know, childish, but it's Saturday night, what can you do? Back to the control panel, and essentially it kind of works. This will flash at the moment because it realises there's no PT100s attached. So these are the pumps. That will be for the chiller. Don't need that on at the moment. There is a problem in that these don't work. That's a 12-volt feed that should go to the relays that do the pump in the mash tun, so either automatic or just on. So that's not working, and also these are permanently on when I turn the breakers on. So I just need to look at that. I think that's about a 12-volt feed. There's a 12-volt feed obviously somewhere either from here to the solid state relay or whatever. However, it works after a manner of speaking, and look, it's actually clearing in here quite quickly because I've got all the extractors on over there. Right, so yes, so we're doing okay. A little bit of fine tuning, but it works. Aha! Postscript, stop press, whatever it was, and all that. Yes, I was correct. It was 12-volt issue. This was a 12-volt issue. Oops, sorry, that's the wrong one. That's the chiller temperature sensor. So the auto pump for the mash tun. So that will be kind of like, you know, auto will be on the temperature probe for the Herms to keep the temperature going. I've worked out what this is. Now these look like they're actually on, but in reality they're not, because why do I keep turning that fucker on? If I turn some of these lights off, oh God, just a sec, I'll turn some lights off. Now here's the thing, they look like they're on, and they sort of are on, but they're not really massively bright. Now here's the thing, and I remembered, and perhaps someone here can give me a little nudge in the right direction. I remembered there's the guy over in Retford, Harry BREW 69, who is kind of like pretty much responsible for me, him and this other guy, new to homebrew Tom, responsible for me setting off on this stupid it's not, it's brilliant fun, but he had the same thing, because these are LED, the solid state relays, because they're solid state, they're actually letting a small amount of power through, but not enough. So these are picking up on that tiny amount of power. They're not actually on as such. And the way to mitigate that is to put a small resistor in series with the lamp. I'm not sure what value resistor. Anybody? Answers on a postcard? No, actually, just in the down there in the comments. Down there in the comments. And that would then sort it. But yeah, we're kind of like up and running. I need to go and read the book of words on the PIDs, and then tomorrow I'm going to put the temperature probes in, PT100s. They're dual wire, three wires, because what happens is it senses the resistance between the two wires without the resistor, and then when it adds the resistance of the resistor, it can then subtract the resistance of the two wires. That makes sense. That's how it self-calibrates, kind of, or that's how it works out the resistance of the resistor. Brilliant. Happy am I. So what value resistor, folks? Anyway, that's it. Please think about subscribing to this channel, because it'll be ever so nice. And if you like this rubbish, do that, you know, the thing underneath, because it makes me feel loved and wanted and valuable and things. I'll shut up now.